Konnichiwa, my name's Andy. Welcome to Uzumaki Garage. The pedals in my previous Evo IX had alloy covers, and I completed the look by adding the Mitsubishi Sport footrest cover. But the Titanium Ralliart pedal kit only includes pads for the clutch, brake and accelerator, so they don't match the plastic OEM footrest. But with a little effort, you can make your own titanium footrest cover to match the Ralliart pedals. I bought some 4mm grade 5 titanium plate and some skateboard grip tape. I traced around a Mitsubishi Sport footrest and cut out the shape with a plasma cutter, but an angle grinder would have worked too, and I used a belt grinder to neaten up the edges. Then I drilled some holes so I could use countersunk stainless screws to attach it to the plastic footrest. Then I applied the skateboard grip tape, but maybe I should have left the screws visible. So ultimately your floor can look like this, and I think they offer a lot better grip to my shoes, especially when they're wet. To me, the Ralliart kit looks better than the Mitsubishi Sport pedals, which look like this. But let me know in the comments what you think. So that turned out really well. If you learned something from this video, or you want to help my YouTube ratings, say something in the comments. And if it's your first time here, click subscribe and notify so you can watch future videos of me driving the Evo around the capital city of Australia. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.